Typical. I'm glad it happened here than it did on the water. I guess I forgot that's why. Oh yeah, she's good now. All right, let's try this again. She's airborne. Rufe is airborne. She's doing fine. Gonna scale back the throttle. Okay. She's flying beautifully. Just had to trim her out a bit. The gyroscope seems to be working out pretty well. She's handling pretty well with all those floats and everything on. Should probably practice some touch and go so I know how to land. I almost lost orientation there. Alright, let's see if we can try and do a touch and go. Hopefully clear all this debris that little kid kept throwing in. Alright, that wasn't a good approach. Let's try from right to left. There we go, she's good. Kind of losing her a little bit through the trees. It's okay. Float. Whew. Okay, a little bit far out, but yeah, definitely need to install a rudder on this. Sugoi. Oh, did you see that, sports fans? That was great. Still in one piece. Whew. Cleared the debris just in time. lower the throttle so I can spend some more time. Look at that. Roll it out. Start making some right to left turns. And freaking Nates everywhere. I think I have those big meatballs to keep my orientation better. I never seem to get away from turning to the left. Oh shoot, I forgot to put the timer on. That's okay. I know I should probably bring her in soon anyway. I just want to have a little bit more fun, see if I can try. Alright, so we can't do loops. We just found that out. I'm gonna straight this duck. Slowly increase throttle. Roll left, or roll right. God, I love this thing. This is fun. This is great. And the gyroscope's doing a good job keeping her stabled. I should probably bring her into land now. Alright. Still too fast. I say about try again on the next pass, come in a little bit more quicker. God, this thing's so much fun. Ah, nuts, of course. That's what I was afraid of. Alright, well, I'm gonna try and go recover that.